Hi there, my name is Ellie and today I'm going to be showing you some of my top tips on how to make your student home more homely. Moving out for the first time can be absolutely terrifying, so here are a few ways that in my first year I found made my space more comfortable. One of my first big tips of moving away from home is to get photos printed of friends or family or even quotes that you like and to put them up on your wall. It's to make things a bit more colourful and a bit more nice. I have friends and family here. I also have a Lord of the Rings quote. Another tip of mine is to bring comfortable things like blankets and pillows and all sorts of comfortable things that you love, plushies, toys, anything like that, anything to fill your space and make you feel more cozy. I can certainly say that my plushies help me out a lot. When moving into your student house, you want to make sure that you're as comfortable as possible, picking your own bed sheets and your own covers that suit your styles but as much as possible. Another thing I never thought I'd need but really is needed with student accommodation is a little calendar or a whiteboard, which I have downstairs. Calendars make everything feel a bit more personable, and whiteboards can be used to talk with your flatmates, put it outside your door, put a friendly message, friendly welcoming, and it's also just really nice to have around so you can doodle on. At the end of the day, your student space is yours to make yourself, so use any of the tips I've given you today, and I hope you have fun decorating your own flats when you move in September. Bye bye!